Excuse me. Come in.
Hello?
Mr. Dong Enlai.
Yes?
Come here. Sit down, please.
Yes?
I'm sorry for talking to you in Tagalog a while ago. I thought you're a Filipino.
That's okay. I'm from Interpol.
Yeah. We have here a Japanese interpreter.
Good.
Fortunately,
Good. Hi. Hello.
Hi.
he cannot speak English.
Really? Do we proceed with the investigation?
Yeah, but he's a Japanese, but he speak very good in Tagalog.
Okay,
But
so...
he cannot understand English.
So what do we do?
So I will translate it to you. Okay?
Okay, good.
Okay.
All right, gentlemen, let us start.
Uh,
Okay, sir, what exactly happened that night at your apartment?
Ano daw yung eksaktong nangyari dun sa apartment?
Sa apartment ko?
Apartment niya. Eh, di ba interpreter ka dito?
Ay, sorry, di ko sinasadya. Kikita desu. Apa de nare ga atta. 二人が来て、その時に、Yun nga po, may dalawang tao daw pumasok sa apartment niya at biglang nagsuntukan.
There's two men came to his apartment and then they had fight.
Can you identify the two men?
Tinatanong niya kung kilala ba daw niya yung dalawang lalaki.
Hindi ko alam.
Eh, di ba interpreter ka nga dahil? Itanong mo sa kanya.
Oo nga, sir. So, pasensya na, sir. Hindi ko naman. Sorry.
知り合いcon 돈으로 세나 知り合いや。
違うんだよ、それが。何も寝てたと気にするか。
どう
What's happening? What's happening?
Hindi. Okay lang kami. Bakit nag-away? Okay lang kami, sir. Hindi, kinikwento niya kung anong ginawa sa kanya ng dalawang lalaki. Sinakan silang ganito. Ay! Bakit mo sa... Sorry, sir. Ganyan daw. Ganyan. It's okay na ne.
What's happening?
He was just demonstrating what happened.
Yes. 何があった？
それはもうここつかめる。
Sakit.
Kapatid niyo, sakit na! Sir! Sakit na! Sir, kaya na! Sir, aray ko! Ay! Sir, tulungan niyo! Tulungan mo! Sakit! Last! Dito!
What's happening?
I was just demonstrating what happened.
Interpreter lang ako dito eh! Gusto na! Mayuay! Ang sakit! Ay, naku! Ay! Abado lang kita!
Sabi mo nga po, dahil interpreter ka.
Wag!
Apoy mo!
Interpreter lang ako dito eh.